following were the first to invade India. Arab's real name of Muhammad bin Qasim was Ahmaduddin Muhammad, Pillar of Deen. Muhammad bin Qasim was nephew and son-in-law of Hajjaj bin Yusuf, the governor of Iraq, Umayyad period. He came to Sindh with 12,000 men. Muhammad bin Qasim conquered Sindh during Umayyads. Siskar was Wazir of Dair. Muhammad bin Qasim tortured to death in Iraq by Sulayman. The Abbasid governor Hisham came to Sindh in 757 AD. Shahabuddin Ghori was the founder of Islamic State in India. Qutbuddin Aibak was the founder of slave dynasty after Ghoris. Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq was the first sultan of Tughlaq dynasty. Aurangzeb reimposed Jizya. Ibn Battuta visited India in reign of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Babur used artillery in warfare. Emperor Shah Jahan equals Khurram Shihabuddin Akbar prohibited the practice of sati. Hazrat Nizamuddin Aulia's Dargah is located at Delhi. Baba Farid Gang Shaker was the first Punjabi poet. Waris Shah is called the Shakespeare of Punjabi literature. Tomb named Khawaja Moinuddin Chisti is in Ajmer. Hazrat Buli Shah was a famous Sufi poet of Punjabi language. His tomb is in the city of Kashur. Thatta was the capital city of Sindh during Arghans and Turkans. Muhammad bin Tughlaq introduced tokens currency firstly. Akbar the Great was born in Umarkot. Shalimar Bagh was built by Shah Jahan, Shahabuddin Muhammad, Shah Jahan, also called Shahzada Khurram. Jahanara Begum was the daughter of Shah Jahan. WWT Battle of Taran was fought B/W Muhammad, Gauri and Rajput, 1191. Ghori was defeated. In 1192 AD, the Second Battle of Taran, Ghori wins. Ahmed Shah Abdali was the king of Kabul. Ahmed Shah Abdali defeated Marhatas in 1761. Pan-Islamism introduced by Jamaluddin Afghani. Nader Shah of Iran invaded Delhi during the period of Muhammad Shah Rangila, the Mughal emperor. Original name of Tipu Sultan was Nawab Fateh Ali. 4th May 1799 was the day of Shahadat of Tipu Sultan. The original name of Sultan Siraj-Dowlah, the Nawab of Bengal, was Mirza Muhammad. Battle of Plassey was fought in 1757 B/W. Clive and Siraj-ud-Dowlah, which established British rule in Bengal. Sindh was annexed by British in 1847 and was separated from Bombay in 1935 via India Act 1935. First War of Freedom was fought in 1757 B/W. Siraj-ud-Dowlah and Robert Clive. Sheikh Ahmad Sarindi is known as Majid Alf-Sani. Sheikh Ahmad Sirhandi was born in 1564. Mazam Khan, soldier of Tichu Mir, was sentenced to death. Hajatullah al-Balagha written by Shah Waliullah. Shah Waliullah born in 1703. Shah Waliullah died in 1763. Shah Alam II was an ally of Mir Qasim in the Battle of Buxar. During Jahangir's reign, Sir Thomas Roe and Captain Hawkins visited Mughal court to secure commercial privileges. Real name of Shah Waliullah was Ahmed and his historical name was Azimuddin. Haji Sharitullah of Bengal was the founder of Farazi Tehreez in 1802. Farazi Tehreez meant to pay more attention on fundamental of Islam. Syed Ahmed of Rai Breli, Oud, was the founder of Jihad Tehrik against Sikhs. He was martyred at Balakot, NWF, in 1831. Battle of Buxar was fought in 1764. Haji Shariatullah was born in 1781, Faraza movement 1830-57, W.